All right, chat. Look at that little slow little R35, little GTI. Is that an EcoBoost? Wait, look at that. Right there. Oh, my e-brake's on, by the way. My e-brake was on. Ah! Ah! Is that a real R35 350 GTR? Bro, look at this, chat. I'm about to back up next to a big GTR. I'm about to rev it. This is an Alpha Kit GTR though, chat. We're about to leave the stance meet. I guess ZL1 one of these if you're not stance. Look at this little slow at GTI. I gotta get right here. Can I pull? Should I pull up? Hold on, chat. I'm gonna get a picture. Ah! Ah! Look at this, chat. We about to go red, blue, red. Hey, is this GTR like?
Gay. It's transvestite.
I'm about to get a video real quick.
Taking a picture.
Ah! Chat, y'all about to see the craziest setup before we leave, chat. No key to dad.
Is that a stock full tank? Yeah.
Is that a stock GT350?
It is.
Bro, do you even have an exhaust, bro, or nothing?
No.
Like
Man, I
that.
thought like a fucking idiot. That kind of ruins the picture, bro.
Chat, look at this, gang. Which one are you taking, chat? Which one are you coming, man? Which one are you coming? Which one are you coming?
Huh?
Which one are you driving?
I've got G35 body kit.
Is that a Nissan 350Z?
Yeah, with the body kit, yeah.
All right. Can I get your number?
Yeah, sure.
All right. Just let me know when you're selling it. Little Batmobile, chat. What y'all think of the Alpha GTR, though? We're going to give it a walk around. If you like GTRs, it's your lucky day, because I've never seen one in person, really, and now we got two, gang. But this one's got big turbos, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy. I'm probably going blue GTR, chat. Y'all got to tap in with that boy, Troy. All right. Are y'all done jerking on, bro? Like, can you move?
Yeah. Can we all like
I'm
leave?
just kidding.
Hey, we're following, bro. What you got a freaking GoPro?
I'm doing POV boxing.
Hey,
You want to be the first contestant?
Let's go.
Let's do it.
I'm blocked.
I'm just kidding. I don't know how to fight, bro. I just hugged. No, I don't know.
Just kidding, just kidding.
Bro, don't hit me, bro. I know it's a Mustang, but come on, bro. Hey, don't. Can you hit me?
Hey, I need E.
Oh, do you need E?
I need E.
I got
Do you know
some.
where E is? Yes.
You want me to look it up?
Yeah, if you can.
I got E. No, an E finder. Chat, the gang, the GTR wave. I need to go supercar, chat. Should I go Ziana, GTR-ana, or should I just wait for a GT3, bro? I think I need to go GT3. Ain't none of the GT3s gonna be around here, bro. Fuck. I did almost catch my first POV box contest contestant. Bro almost got the haymaker though. If you're watching, bro, I'm sorry I would hit you with the roundhouse kick judo did. Hopefully this music don't copyright. I did not get any videos in here, so we're gonna get another POV drive for y'all because I did sell that. They're playing music and that's copywritten.
Call me.
A bunch of worms. You're a worm. Hey. Wait.
Trying to drive that thing.
Hey, what is that? What do you say? Till next time, brother. All right, chat. We back. Two separate POV drives coming, leaving, and the whole in between. But like I was saying, they were playing music, gang, so y'all aren't gonna get anything. They only liked lower cars as well, chat, so nothing else besides us, gang. Man, chat, GTR the GTR showing the people out. He won't launch it right here, gang. That boy gonna launch that ting. Are we about to get a live launch? Yeah. Big supercar. Chat. A little GTR bean. I think my car would keep up in the track though. We keep getting split up, bro. We on the slow part of the gang. But hopefully y'all liking the POV drive because we got caught sleeping. Shut up, gang. Maybe I'll keep up, chat. We gonna catch up. Make sure we don't get ling-dinged. This is what y'all want though. Y'all want a little launch right here, chat? Ain't nothing but good car sounds, chat, and I can hear bro's turbos over my whip. And we back at the QT again, chat. About to recollect because we always be getting uncollected. And there's a little bit more cars. There's a Mustang on some fat balloon wheels. On chat. On chat. We gonna just park right here behind these M3s and shit.
Oh my god.
Sheesh. We about to peep all these whips, gang. See which one y'all rocking with. It's getting rained on now. It's raining, by the way, chat. Damn, my key in the whip, chat. Hopefully I didn't lock that thing in there, man. The key always falls out. That's the one thing about these Z's, chat. But look at that. Hold on, we're gonna have to get a thumbnail. Cause y'all boys know I be working right here, chat. How we coming, how we coming? Sheesh. How to get that thumbnail. I'm saying. I'm getting a bath right now. No cap, but we about to come through. Look at all the whips. Y'all see a hella Mustangs, bro. Big Z, big 350. How you doing, bro? Hella Mustangs, chat. 5.0s. If this is a 5.0 channel and you like 5.0s, this is where you need to be at, because this is where they're all at, gang. Damn, more 5.0s down there. Big body GTR, chat. How y'all liking the POV content? This is like in real life content for y'all boys, man. And I haven't even got to look at this M3. This is a clean M3, gang. Carbon fiber. I don't know much about them, but I guess this is supposedly one of the only ones they made with a V8, chat. Let me know down below which one's your favorite so far.
Guys, it's not that.
You have an E-Finder?
Oh, Haywood Road. That guy has E.
We'll just go to that one.
I used to get E
Hey.
all the time.
Hey.
I wish it stopped raining though, because
Why did it have to start raining as soon as we pull up?
There's a lot of men.
Wait, it might not be that one. It might be the one before.
There's a lot of men right here. That was good. Damn, I'm getting a bath.
Move right there.
No, I need it. Oh, my window's down. I'm tweaking. Damn, chat, left the window up. I'm a nerd. Ah! Chat, my fucking window cracked, gang. On some battery. Let me get out of here. My dumb ass would do that shit. Ah! Ah! Dang, gang. But we going out tonight too, so if y'all liking what y'all seeing tonight, we're gonna take over again. Hella more whips, GT500s, GTRs, everything, man. So tonight is what y'all want to tune in. It's gonna be its own video. This is gonna be its own POV drive, gang. Y'all see AG, man. He got that slow 350 back there. That little lemon 350. But yeah, man, man, if y'all want to see the content tonight at night, we're gonna have to tap in late night supercar drive, chat. Hey, I'm just POV, I'm talking, I'm vlogging right now, I'm trying to make bread. You feel me? If you don't like what you see and you hating on what you see in chat, you just ain't making money, gang. I'm gonna be the first one just talking POV everywhere. I'm gonna go look at this GTR because this is what y'all want to see. I'm gonna quit looking at these slow ass little cars. I'm just walking around POV camera on the head, but look at this thing. Bro's got his headlights on like a worm. Is your headlight on, dickhead? Dang. I don't even think it's a real GTR though, chat. No, I'm just kidding. This is the most fire whip out. Definitely gotta go. Hey, your lights are on, big fella. What? Your lights are on.
They're on?
Yeah. Someone's inside of it, dude.
Oh, I'm just looking at your car, man.
Can I just drive this for you real quick?
God. Hey. No, they're not. They're not on.
They're not on? I'm so serious, your headlights are on too. Lightly though. I think I should get this coffee today just for telling them on.
Apparently, guys, they're all now. Show me your car. Where's your car at? What's that?
Huh?
Is it like 3 little knots? Is that
Bro,
what
it's
you're
like
talking
5. But it didn't chip my car. There's that LC 500 or whatever it's called. But supposedly they can get them out. I had one dude say he was gonna do it and he never showed up. Is that a Trekiana?
Hey, y'all see that track I want to do?
Is that a Trego?
What's the track I want to do?
You should race a Trackie if you can find one.
That'd be cool.
I'm just kidding, you don't race.
Hey, that's our track.
Is that a,
Damn, look at that go-kart.
is that a Trego?
That's a...
Hey,
It's a lit car.
hey.
You think y'all's car could be the track hall?
I don't even.
They're so heavy. No, but they hooked them.
Yeah, they really be, they just be going, man.
No, off the road, man. If you race,
I'm not going Trekiana.
I feel like it. I mean, the amount of grip you get, like if it's
No, I'm not worried about me. Yeah, I'm
If
talking
it's
about...
off a dead
Roll
stop,
race.
you're destroying the hell. But if it's a roll, man, whenever that's already got momentum going through there.
Got at stance shop, hella stance whips pulling up, gang. What y'all think? What y'all got going on? If y'all got the stance up, this is the show we just left, gang. If y'all liking the stance whips, they didn't let us in. But hey, maybe one day the ZL1 1LE might make it in. They don't like GTRs or Z1 beams, man. But we about to go inside and grab some water. This is the thumbnail right here. I gotta tap in with this thumbnail, gang. I'm saying, it's like right here. Like, sit right here, chat. Shit, look at it. Gotta get the thumbnail, chat. Y'all already know we putting in work now, gang. Hopefully y'all seen that, cause be hella whips, chat. That boy got a damn diving board off the back of his shit. Hey, he's too good to drive straight though. Chat, we about to walk over here and see what everybody popping off with, gang. Y'all see all the stance whips, low-key flooding. I'm just walking around talking. Shit, I'm about to flood away. Do what? This is what they like. The people eat up the POV. Rainy day vibes, man.
POV ZL1 cuts up.
That's what I'm saying.
GTR.
Bro, let me drive his GTR. POV wrecking.
Crash.
Yeah. He shot flame and burnt me. Look.
Almost caught on fire.
I'm saying. And a lot of people are driving far from wherever to come here.
Look, every time I step,
I slide.
that shit's tough, I ain't gonna lie.
Is that a Honda?
Oh, dude.
Dang, chat, but we about to walk through here. If y'all liking the stance whips, gang, we about to figure out. Y'all get a little bit of everything today, chat. Them boys be traveling, gang. If y'all liking what you see though, man. I think we might be hitting Tennessee here in a couple weeks. So if y'all do want to see the mountain drive, we're gonna drive all the way to Tennessee. Here's a stance 5.0 for y'all boys. A little bit of everything, gang. No cap. You think you can drive with your air filter or anything like that, chat? Y'all let me know, because I don't know. I heard that wasn't even possible, chat. Damn. But yeah, I'm about to jump and diving board off of that into the water. Bro got a free diving board. Bro got PVC pipe hanging off the back, chat. So is this. Bro's riced out. And gang, if you ain't always working, chat, I'm out here working in the rain right now, chat. God, we making money, man. I'm out here trying to make bread, chat. Y'all know my body. I'm out here looking dumb. Damn. I'm about to get in my car soaked as hell, chat. Looks like I'm taking a shower, bro. Also, the free merch, man. Merch down below. Link in the description if you want the merch, chat. See, I be seeing the angles, chat. Look at this. We about to get this thing right here, gang. Look at that Supra. Just like that, chat. I be working, gang. You ain't letting me miss a damn video, chat.
Oh yeah.
How much do you charge to get naked nasty for my camera? You got OnlyFans link? If you do it for free, I'll plug you. Saying, if y'all want to see bro spin around and get smacked down, you know what I'm saying? Get down to the link down below, chat.
Link in the description, you see.
Yeah, we about to turn these cheeks into buns. Yeah, flip them over and smack them. All gay. All homo, too. What you think, gang? The best thumbnail right there. I'm just kidding. Shit, I'm about to get in my Z soap. Yeah. Chat, I wasn't thinking, gang, but everybody working. Well, I'm working, chat. No. Yeah. Giant big M3 beam. Yeah. Let's get a little cold start right here, gang. A little hot start. Can't even hear my little baby shit. But we about to, I guess, hit a different gas station, gang. That's what we do. We just hit every gas station in the city until we get home, chat. My boy taking videos right here. We all working, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe before I take over. 10K on the way, man. We almost there, chat.